2017 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, Bluetooth, compass, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, engine block heater, rear spoiler, 4-piece floor mat set. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.